Hi, fabulous first graders, and happy Wellness Wednesday. I hope that you had a wonderful day of learning and playing in the sunshine yesterday. I know for Miss Field, my favorite part of yesterday was going through all of your posts and trying to guess what your object in your bag was based on your 3 clues. Now, Miss Field's, or 4 clues, sorry. Miss Field's 4 clues for my object in my bag was that it was something round. It is super juicy and tasty. It is something that I eat in the summertime, and I eat it more in the summertime than other times of the year. And what was my last clue? Oh yeah, that sometimes it has seeds. Sometimes it doesn't. Now, I know a few people had sent voice messages of what they thought it was. And are you ready? Let's do a drum roll. It was watermelon. Woo! Now, you can eat a lot of fruits at different times during the year, but watermelon is one that doesn't really taste the best unless it's summertime when it's nice and ripe and sweet. So I am here to share our morning message of the day, and I'm going to let you know who our star student of the week is today. So here we go. As always, you can read along with Miss Field. Good morning, friends. Today is Wellness Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Remember, there isn't any new work. You can finish any work that you didn't finish from Monday and Tuesday. So you can maybe work in your memory book if that's not done, or maybe some jobs on Seesaw that you didn't finish. You can finish those, but there will not be any new work. Or you can meet with me on WebEx. I will be on WebEx from 9 to 10 a.m. and 11:30 to 12:30. So Miss Field's going to be on there for 1 hour. Now, if you want some help with your work, you can pop in and you can ask Miss Field to help you. Otherwise, if you just want to say hello, maybe see a few friends, it won't be exactly the same as last week where we had set times with set groups. So Miss Field will be on there at different times during the morning, and then we can just hang out with each other, pop in, let me know how you're doing, or if you need help, Miss Field is here to help you too. All right, you also have PE. Have an awesome day, and yes, be kind. Love, Miss Field. All right, I'm here to share our star student of the week with you, and I'm so excited to share this star student because this star student is just so caring and kind and an awesome first grader. So remember, the 3 clues about this friend. The first clue was that this friend is very artistic, which means that this friend likes to draw and likes to create things. The second clue was that this friend has 2 brothers and 1 sister. And Miss Field's third clue was that this friend really likes bike riding and science. So Miss Field's going to start out by showing you a fun baby picture that this star student's mom had shared with Miss Field. So I'm going to give you a little bit to think about it. Who do you think that is? Take a guess. Who do you think it is? Okay, let's see. I'm going to move over to another picture, which is a little older, a toddler version of this friend. Does it look like someone you know? I think I know who it is. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. If you guessed Lily, you are correct. Miss Lily is our star student of the week. So Miss Field has gotten lots of pictures from her mom that I will be sharing over the next few days. And I will share her poster on Friday to reveal more about Lily. So Lily, I'm so excited you're our star student. Friends, I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will maybe see you on WebEx. If not, have an enjoyable day. Go play outside. It's going to be another beautiful sunshiny day. Goodbye, friends. I'll talk to you later.